died like 6.
7, 8.
Oh my god.
It's because I can't always see the stars come up. See?
Just.
Oh! We gotta. Damn! I can't even like finish my stupid joke.
Look, just keep on looking. It's getting more crazy.
If I can like survive. I thought you don't get a certain amount of lives.
Yeah, you just keep on going.
So I can fail as many times as I want. I can fail at everything.
Like the impossible games. I have that on here too.
Why?
Just the games I had spare points for.
Fair.
And I wanted to try them out. Like this, I had like, it cost like 80 Microsoft points. And I was like, wow, cheap.
I'm supposed to get past it because it keeps flickering. Oh wait, no, it's just. Ow!
Get more. It's gonna get more
I'm gonna
crazy.
stroke, dude.
Look, this game, each level has its own special thing. This one surprised me a lot.
I'm doing as no one. Wait, no, it's like dizzy now.
Yeah. When you play it, when you actually play it, and when you like, after all the crazy stuff ends, when you pause it, it feels like the TV's like moving a little bit.
I actually believe it. That's how it is like when you're on a treadmill.
Mm-hmm.
After you stop running, after you get off, it's like wait. It just feels weird. It's like, oh! Whoa!
Can you barely see anything?
Nope. I was going to say I haven't died yet, so.
Just crazy. It gets more crazy each level. Some of them are actually major seizures.
This isn't?
Yeah, I put my video on YouTube, and I was like, warning seizures. And because after I said warning seizure for 1 second, everything just started going at it. Alright.
It's like, yeah, I can't control this.
and then it like restarts, so every time it loops. Like, I don't know what's happening about this.
Yeah, I thought Yankan was bad, but this is so much worse.
Yo, you want to see a level where it's actually messed up?
Let's go.
Alright. I'm going to select level. Which one was it? I have to find out which. Okay, ones that are like actually the full screen is colored. This one. This one's trippy as shit.
Wait, what am I?
You're a meat cat, T-bone cat.
Okay.
I know it's weird. They have a bacon kitty too. That looks like a mummy.
I like bacon.
You have to reach 40 points, I think.
Oh, come on, I was doing good. Stop messing me up, man. Stupid.
Look,
I was doing like good for a minute, and then I started doing like all this extra crap.
Just go with it.
I just had to focus. Wait. Okay. Wait! Wait, I'm trying to read the thing, too!
What, you trying to read the lyrics?
Okay, I didn't know it was lyrics.
You want to... Wait. You're enjoying the music?
I don't know what. And I'm next to keep going back. It keeps flipping.
I was about to actually buy the Neon Cat game on here, too. I was trying to...
Flies to the state cat.
What?
stop.
I don't. It's a giant mouth eating me.
Like, I want to know what it is.
It's a giant mouth eating me. Now the thing is confusing when everything. Just look. Just look. Just look at it. Do you know what you're looking at?
My dumbest one.
It's too much. You can't handle it. They're making your eyes hurt. You're supposed to dodge at the stars. Keep going.
I can't see them. I want to keep flipping back and forward. Like 8 different colors flashing at the same time.
Do it.
You get lost.
Well, look, it's supposed to confuse you to throw you off.
It is doing a really good job. You can't fight die anymore.
Sure about that?
Damn it. Starting now.
And then it all stops. And then it starts back up.
Why did you get this?
It was entertaining and it's kind of addicting to me.
What possessed you?
And plus it had cats.
She keeps saying she gets a star. Is that anything like the song I Kissed a Girl and I Liked It?
No. But these are like actual songs from actual techno people. When techno was officially called techno instead of dubstep.
That's it for all your problems. Nailed it.
Nailed it. Nailed it. Having a freaking feature.